Yo, Pan, you ready?
Yeah.
Man, let's lock and load.
Yeah.
Just blaze.
Yeah.
No, turn me up.
Hey.
I think we got one.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay, this is Rube Goldberg, and we've already filmed the video and I've kind of destroyed half of it. And it's already gone, so here's how it goes. There's going to be a robot that starts around right there. It's going to go, grab a little ball, it's going to follow this line, and then it's going to drop the ball in this hole. Under the hole is a little ramp, and the ball is going to travel down the ramp, and then there's going to be a pool ball right around here. The little ball is going to hit the pool ball. The pool ball is going to roll down with the little ball at the same time. They're both going to land in the sack like so right there. And on the other side, before it's set, it's going to look like the opposite of this, and there's going to be another small ball right here that's going to pop up, go down this ramp, and fall into this cup, which has already been triggered. That, as you can see, it's tied to a rope. The rope leads up back onto the top level. It comes right here. This is usually wrapped around this pulley right there, and it continues to right here. And as you can see, the little stud is like a pin, and on top of the pin would be a marble, and then the marble will fall down, and it kind of looks like it floats through the glass because of the angle of the plexiglass, and then it will roll out the end right there, and will come down, go into this tube. This tube leads to right here, which is a car. Will be right here, and the ball will hit the car will roll down, and the CD will be up here like so, and the CD will roll down, hit that other CD that's already been triggered. There will be a hammer at the end of the CD. As you can see, there's a little notch right there, and it will fall down. The hammer will fall down onto a lever. I guess you could say a triple lever system, and that lever will hit another lever, which will hit another lever. Sorry. And there's a nail at the end of this lever. You can see right there. And then there's a hole through this little ramp. Yep, like so. And there's going to be a ball up there. The nail will hit the ball. The ball will be rolling down, and it will trigger this touch sensor. The touch sensor sends a signal to James's little robot, second robot in this Rube Goldberg. Then that will send a signal to the motor, and the motor will, it's like triggers a little finger, I guess, and that will push down, and that's James's speed dial for his phone. So it's calling his phone, and we decided to move it back to the top just because we like moving around. And we're back on top, kind of right next to where the robot started. And his phone will just be sitting on the top of this ramp like so, that little notch and like thing for his antenna. It'll start vibrating and go down. Yeah, there we go. Starts vibrating, goes down, and there's going to be a ball right here. It's going to roll down and flip this cap over, and inside this cap is a little holder, I guess, and what's going to be in there is baking soda. And when it flips over, the baking soda goes out into this little container. You can see in there, and in there is vinegar. So when it closes, it seals the container pretty much, and the reaction makes carbon dioxide. And as you can see, there's a little tube right there. It's hard to see with the camera. And that carbon dioxide moves into this chamber, which has the candle. So from this angle, like that. And it will, since carbon dioxide is heavier than air, right? Yeah, I think that's what it was. It will fill up the can and put out the candle, and this happens like in half a second after the reaction because there's so much. So in the video you're not really going to be able to see it go out, but that's pretty much how it works. And if we have this counted right, it's 27 steps. So here we go.
I remembered each flash as time began to burn. Like a startling sign, the fate had finally found me.
Did you get my finger in there?